My name is Bhuye Priyanka. This is assignment number 0502, a rolling game. Let's execute the program first. Yeah. So enter the name, give the consent if you wish to play, then how many die you want to roll. Let's say 6. How many 6-sided die you want to roll? I'll give 2. How many 10-sided die you want to roll? I'll give 2 again and 2 again. So here it says the output of the dice rolling is 43. So Priya, you have scored 0 point. So would you like to play the game? So if you wish to play, say yes. If no, say no. Then it exits the program. So let's go through the questions one by one. Show your primary loop and briefly explain how you calculate the score updates. So the primary loop in this code is while. So while true loop that continues until the user decides not to play by entering something other than yes. So where we are saying, so if user if is willing to play is not equal to yes, then it will terminate and exits breaks the program here. Then within the loop, the target value goal is generated and the user is asked to enter the number of dice roll. So that is die count. So the inner loop, while x is not equal to 0, continues until the user has rolled all the specified dice inside this loop. So the user is asked to enter the number of each type of dice to roll, that is input 6, input 10, or input 20. So and the corresponding functions, that is 6-sided, 10-sided, and 20-sided is called to simulate rolling the dice and update the result variable. So after all dice are rolled, the total result is printed and the score is determined based on the proximity of the result to the goal, and the user score is printed. So the next question is describe how you leverage the dice and cups classes from the previous assignment. Use the classes don't store a bunch of values in the game engine that you need. So in this example, the dice class represents a single die and the cup class represents a cup containing all the multiple dice. The cup class has method to add dice simulating rolling all the dice in the cup, so and getting the total result. So the game loop then uses these classes to handle the rolling of dice in more organized and object oriented manner. Thank you.